Skill Classroom / YouTube later. So, now guys, largest number. We start with the 8. We go with the 6. We go with the 3. Then we go 2, 2, 1. That is the largest number we can make. The smallest number we can make is we start off with the 1. Go for the 2 2s. Go for the 3, the 6, and the 8. There is your largest and smallest number, respectively. Most just did very well with that. Move on. Okay, awesome. Right, write down all the factors of 18. Okay, start small. 1 and 18. 2 and 9. 3 and 6. And that's your lot. Okay, yeah. Now let's start again. 1 and 24. 2 and 12. 3 and 8. 4 and that is it. Yeah. Just go on. Right. Write down the factors that are common to 18 and 24. Well, what numbers are in both lists? 1, anything else? 2, 3, 6. There's 4 numbers in that. Now, which one's the highest one, the biggest one in both lists? 6. Would everybody be happy that the highest common factor is 6? Okay. Now, let's move on. The lowest common multiple between 12 and 15. Okay, Sean. Will you count up in 12s for me, please? Count up in, yeah. 72. 84. All right, stop there now. Count up in 15s. Yeah. 60. 60. Any number in both lists? 60 is therefore the lowest common multiple. Yeah, you knew what you meant. If you aren't good at counting, you can always take out your calculator and you can do this. You can just write down 15 and then you press plus 15 and now it keeps counting up in 15s for you. We did that a while back. You know how to do it. Okay. Now, gents, what we're doing next is a newly discovered planet has 3 moons. On one day, all 3 of them are in orbit. So here's a planet, and here's Moon A, red moon, green moon, and blue moon. Okay. Now, lads, if you look at the orbits, okay, I wonder if I can do a dotted line for this. So just give me a sec. So that's one orbit. That's the other orbit. And that's the other orbit. Does everybody see that? Now, here's what we're basically saying. One of them is 4, 8, and 12. Okay. Sorry, I should. Sorry, just give me a sec. That's. Sorry, just give me a sec. Oh, that's frustrating. Here we are. Nope. That is quite annoying. All right. I'm a bit OCD, so see the way I want to match up the colors. So there we go. All right. The red. Everybody see the red moon? Now, what happens with the red moon is it will spin around. It comes back around after 4 days. Does that make sense? So the red moon is back where it started after 4 days. However, the green moon or whoever, all right, the green moon won't be back all the way around, will it? The green moon takes 5 days to come back. Does that make sense? And the blue moon, it takes 10 days to come back. So the blue moon won't be back either. Okay? So what we're trying to do is we're basically trying to find the lowest common multiple of each one. And that's the next time they'll all be in line. So what's it? 4, 8, 12, 16, and 20. What about the green one? 5, 10, 15, and then finally the blue one. And what's the lowest common multiple? 20. They'll all be back in the line after 20 days. After 20 days, they're all back where they started from. Jamie. Exactly. Yeah, I showed you how to do that. Pick the biggest number first. Yeah. No worries. Okay. Is this one next? Or is there something else? Yes. It's probably 10 out of 10, man. You fill in your journal. Okay, guys, look at this one. Okay, first of all, as I said earlier, it's well in your ability to use the calculator and get 3 marks, which is okay. Won't be giving you full marks for the calculator, as I discussed, but you know that the answer is going to be. Everybody know that the answer is going to be 28? We know the answer is 28. Now, it's how to get to that 28 is what we're really interested in. We have to divide first. It's called BIMDAS. Brackets, indices, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. Divide first, what do we get? 4. Multiply first as well? 12. 12 plus 4? 16 plus 12? There you go. Step by step, done. Okay, what about the next one? 7 times, we're going to have to do brackets first. What's in the bracket? Yeah. What about the multiply? 56. Now let's try this one. 56, take away 3, take away 9. And we get 44. Now, if you aren't sure about that, you can always enter it in the calculator. $44. Everybody cool with that? Okay, how many people got full marks there? The 28 and the 44. Alrighty. Now, let's move on to the next one. Alright, lads, commutative means the order doesn't matter. Okay, so first of all, is 12 multiplied by 8 the same as 8 multiplied by 12? It is. This means multiplication is, which is C. Next one. Is 14 take away 10 the same thing as 10 take away 14? No. So what does that mean? That's B. Part 3. Is 14 divided by 7 the same as 7 divided by 14? No. If you aren't sure, you could use your calculator. 14 divided by 7 is 2. 7 divided by 14 is a half. So 2 does not equal a half. So what are we saying for this one? Yeah, so we call that D, and then the other one must be A. You okay with that? Who got full marks for that one? C, B, D, A. Good job. Okay. Now, gents, shh. What happens with wind chill is, imagine it's 4 degrees out. It's 4 degrees out, there's no wind. It feels like 4 degrees. However, a wind chill happens, and the wind chill is minus 10. So what you ask yourself is, what's 4 take away 10? 4 take away 10 is negative 6. That's why it feels like minus 6. Now, the wind chill stays the same. So in each one of these questions, you got to take away 10 each time. Wind chill? It's breeze really cold. It makes it feel colder than it is. So 1 take away 10? Yes? What does each of these times feel like if a wind chill of minus 10? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I'm about to do it. 1 take away 10 is minus 9. 3 take away 10 is minus 7. Minus 2, minus 10, it feels like minus 12. 15 take away 10, it feels like minus 25. Is that all right? Question, yeah. Let's keep going, okay? Now, this one's difficult, okay? We'll do one at a time. Okay, Bobby. All right, you can help me out though, all right? Now, lads, the good thing is we can always try enter it in the calculator. So everybody enter it into your calculator just for a start. We're going to do a step by step in a second, but let's enter this in your calculator. Everybody knows how to use the calculator, okay? We're going to answer 14. Is that all right? 14. Now, we can assume that 14 is the correct answer. But you guys need to be able to show how that actually happens, okay? So we're going to use BIMDAS. BIMDAS, okay? Now, what does B stand for? Stands for brackets, doesn't it? Bobby, I only want you to do the brackets. What's in the brackets? Yeah, what's 3 take away 2? Yeah. And what's 3 take away 2 again? 1. Everybody cool with the first step? Now, brackets are done. Next step, indices. Does anybody see any indices on the board? There they are. Something squared or cubed. So what's 1 squared? Yeah, what's 1 squared, lads? No. 1. 1 squared means 1 multiplied by 1. Okay. Lads, I've now done indices. Done. Next we're on to multiplication. Does anybody on the board see multiplication? 5 times 1? 5. 4 times 1? Yeah. Add 5 plus 4? Yeah, it is 14. Any questions about this? Just work through your list, isn't it? Okay. Well done. Now, next one, which is here. Okay, gents, ready? Once again, we're going to test our calculator to make sure we get this right. First, 2 multiplied by what? 5 take away. 8 plus 3 multiplied by 7 take 11. Is that all right? Now, what do we get for this? And we get minus 18. Okay. It's all right. Now, Bobby, let's work through this again. Actually, Sam. Sam, do the brackets first. Yeah. Yeah, excellent. Now, next thing we're going to do, is there any indices? Is there? Is there any multiplication? 2 multiplied by minus 3. 3 multiplied by minus 4. Minus 6, minus 12. Minus 18. It's not a plus, only when you're multiplying. Do we agree with our calculator? We do. Yes. Only when multiplied. You can check out on your calculator if you want. Minus 6, minus 12. Minus 18. Excellent. All right, gents. Venn diagram. Shh. Lads, everybody look up. I wasn't happy with how this one was answered, okay? Shh. Now, guys, number of items. The hashtag means how many items are in A. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 numbers inside of A. Everybody cool with that? No, but the answer is still 7. The hashtag. I know. Shh. Lads, answer for B. Okay, B. Ready? 1 number, 2 numbers, 3 numbers, 4 numbers, 5 numbers, 6 numbers. Anybody get hashtag B is 6? Okay. A intersection B. That's the middle. How many numbers are in the middle? 3. Hashtag A intersection B is 3. And finally, hashtag A union B is the full thing. How many numbers in the whole thing? 10. So some years, unfortunately, you didn't see the hashtag, did you? Or you forgot what the hashtag meant. How many people forgot what the hashtag meant? Yeah, it's all right. Yeah. No, that's the dash. That's all right. No, you have to write down hashtag how many numbers are in the list. 7 items are in the list, not list them all out. Yeah, guys. Yeah, that's all right. Okay. Yes. Yes. Now, lads, look at this. We have to. What do they have in common? What do X and Y have in common? Yes. You can go down a sec. Right. Oh yeah. Lads, what's X intersection Y, lads? What do they have in common? They have 2 in common. What else do they have in common? 2 and 7. Look, 2 and 7. Okay, X only has 1 and 3 left over. There goes 1 and 3. 4 has 4 and 8 left over. 1 second, Bobby. There's 4 and 8 gone. What numbers are left in U that I haven't used yet? There's 5. There's 6. And there's 9. Yes, sir. Three out of 5. Now, lads, everybody, list the elements of Y dash. Here's the elements of Y. Are you looking? Here's the elements of Y. But Y dash means everything that's not Y. So what are the numbers that are not in Y? 1, 3, 5, 6, and 9. Yeah, sorry, you forgot the dash, did you? Yeah. Yes. You can show me in a second. Lads, list the elements of X union Y. Now, Adrian, we said that the intersection is included. So this is part 2, guys. What do we reckon the answer is? What do you think the answer is? 1, 3, 2, 7, and 4 and 8. 1, 3, 2, 7, 4 and 8. Finally. Oh, I got that wrong. Can anybody tell me why I got it wrong? No. Oh, sorry. There's a dash, right? So actually, it's not X union Y. It's yeah, I know the answer, but oh, it should have been everything outside that. So it should have just been 5, 6, and 9. But wait, I made another mistake. The answer is not 5, 6, 9. Why is the answer 3? Because of the hashtag. So the hashtag means how many of them, and the answer is 3. Lads, last one. X complement. Everything that's outside of X. How many items are outside of X? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that the second last question, is it? Okay. Now, lads, it says probability. So this is out of 24 people. Each question is out of 24 people. Okay. How many people preferred biology? Yes. 10 out of 24, which is otherwise known as 5 out of 12. How many people liked physics and biology? 3 out of 24, which is 1 over A. like neither physics nor biology. Shh. Lads, where'd you get 4 from? Yeah, there's only 20 people in there. So there has to be 4 on the side. 4 out of 24, which is? No, 6.